Proven ways to flirt 5 tips to win hearts. Hey everybody, and welcome back Doe's Psycho Goers today. We're diving deep into the exciting world of flirting. Get those heart emojis ready because we about to share 5 proven tips to help you win hearts like a pro. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tips will definitely up your flirting game. So sit back, relax, and get ready to take some notes. All right, let's kick things off with the most important flirting fundamental: eye contact. It's one of those things that can make or break your first impression. It's like they say, the eyes are the windows to the soul, right? When you look into someone's eyes, you're not just seeing them, you're connecting with them on a deeper level. But seriously, making eye contact is key because it shows you're interested and engaged. It's a nonverbal way of saying, hey, I'm here and I'm paying attention to you. Think about it. When you lock eyes with someone, it creates an instant connection. It's like a silent conversation where words aren't necessary. It's like you're saying, hey, I see you and I'm interested. This simple act can convey so much more than words ever could, but don't go full on staring contest, all right? That's just creepy. You want to be confident, not overbearing. Just a few seconds of genuine eye contact can work wonders. It's about quality, not quantity. Imagine you're at a party and you spot someone cute across the room. The room is buzzing with energy and you want to make a memorable impression. Instead of awkwardly avoiding their gaze, try this. Make eye contact, hold it for a beat, and then give them a little smile. This small gesture can be incredibly powerful. It's a subtle way to show you're interested and approachable. A smile combined with eye contact can be a game changer. And hey, here's a little pro tip. If you're feeling extra bold, try winking. A wink can add a playful element to your interaction. But use this one sparingly, my friends. A well-timed wink can be charming, but overdoing it can backfire. A well-timed wink can be charming, but too many, and you'll look like you've got something in your eye. Balance is key here. Trust me on that one. So remember, eye contact is your secret weapon. Use it wisely, and you'll be amazed at the connections you can make. Next up, we've got the universal sign of friendliness and approachability, the smile. Seriously, folks, your smile is your secret weapon. It's like a beacon of warmth and positivity that draws people in. When you smile at someone, you're basically giving them a little dose of happiness. It instantly makes you more attractive and approachable. Plus, it shows you're confident and comfortable in your own skin, which is always a good look. Think about it. Would you rather approach someone who's frowning or someone who's smiling? Exactly. A smile is like an open invitation to start a conversation. So, the next time you're crushing on someone, flash them a genuine smile. It doesn't have to be a cheesy grin, just a natural, happy smile that reaches your eyes. Trust me, it'll work wonders. Chapter 3. Compliment them. All right, moving on to tip number 3, compliments. Everyone loves a good compliment, right? It's a surefire way to make someone feel good about themselves and show that you're paying attention. But here's the key. Keep your compliments genuine and specific. Don't just say you're pretty or you're cool. Instead, try something like, I love your sense of style, or you have the best laugh I've ever heard. See the difference? Specific compliments show that you're actually paying attention to the little things that make them unique, and that's what makes them feel special. Remember, the goal here is to make them feel good, not to shower them with insincere flattery. So stick to genuine compliments that come from the heart. Chapter 4. Use light touch. Now, this next tip is a little bit more advanced, so listen up. It's all about the subtle art of touch. We're talking about the power of touch. Touch can be a very powerful tool in communication and connection. Now, I'm not saying you should go around touching everyone willy-nilly. That's just weird and can make people uncomfortable. But a light, playful touch on the arm or shoulder can work wonders. It can break the ice and make interactions feel more personal and warm. Think about it. When you're flirting with someone, you're trying to create a connection, right? You want to build a bridge between you and the other person. Well, touch is a powerful way to build that physical and emotional intimacy. It can convey feelings that words sometimes can't. Imagine you're telling a funny story, and you lightly touch their arm while you're laughing. That touch can make the moment more memorable and engaging. Or you're walking side by side and your shoulders brush against each other. These small touches can create a sense of closeness and familiarity. These little moments of physical contact can create a spark and take your flirting to the next level. They can turn a simple interaction into something more meaningful. But remember, the key here is to keep it light and appropriate. You don't want to overdo it and make the other person feel uncomfortable. You want to make them feel comfortable, not creeped out. Always be mindful of their reactions and respect their personal space. So start with subtle touches and see how they respond. If they seem receptive, You can gradually increase the frequency and intensity of your touches. Remember, the goal is to create a connection and make the other person feel good. Touch can be a wonderful way to enhance your interactions and build deeper relationships. So use it wisely and always with the intention of making the other person feel valued and respected. With practice, you'll become more attuned to how and when to use touch effectively. It can become a natural and powerful part of your communication toolkit. So go ahead, give it a try and see how a light touch can transform your interactions and bring you closer to the people you care about. Chapter 5. Ask open-ended questions. Last but not least, let's talk about the art of conversation. It's a crucial element in any form of social interaction, especially when it comes to flirting. The way you communicate can make or break the connection you're trying to establish. When you're flirting, it's important to keep the conversation flowing, and the best way to do that is by asking open-ended questions. These types of questions invite more elaborate responses and can lead to deeper, more meaningful conversations. What's an open-ended question, you ask? It's a question that encourages the other person to share more about themselves, their experiences, and their feelings. Well, it's a question that can't be answered with a simple yes or no. Instead, it requires a more detailed response, which can help you learn more about the other person and keep the conversation engaging. It encourages the other person to open up, share their thoughts and feelings, and keep the conversation going. This is key in building a connection and showing that you're genuinely interested in them. Instead of asking, "Do you like movies?" which can be answered with a simple yes or no, try something like, "What's your favorite movie of all time and why?" See the difference? The second question invites the person to share more about their tastes, experiences, and even memories associated with that movie. The first question is a dead end, while the second question opens up a whole world of possibilities. It can lead to a discussion about genres, favorite actors, and even personal stories related to the movie. And here's a bonus tip. Be a good listener. Active listening is just as important as asking the right questions. When they're talking, really listen to what they're saying. Show that you value their words and are interested in their perspective. Ask follow-up questions, make eye contact, and show that you're genuinely interested in getting to know them. This not only makes the other person feel valued, but also helps in building a stronger connection. Remember, the goal is to create a conversation that flows naturally and feels engaging for both parties. Open-ended questions are a powerful tool in achieving that. So next time you're in a conversation, think about the questions you're asking. Are they inviting the other person to share more? Are they helping to build a connection? If not, try rephrasing them to be more open-ended. With practice, you'll find that asking open-ended questions becomes second nature, and your conversations will be more enjoyable and meaningful. Go forth and flirt. There you have it, folks. 5 proven tips to help you flirt like a pro. Remember, the key to successful flirting is to be confident, genuine, and respectful. So go out there, practice these tips, and most importantly, have fun. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your go-to flirting tips? Share your secrets in the comments below. Let's help each other out and spread the love. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like these.